big and small, short and long. This is the opposition. Hot and cold, weak and strong, common and singular, heavy, left, right, happy, sad, good, bad, big and small, short and long. This is the opposition. As no, stop, go, up, down, side, front, big and small, short and long. This is the opposition. Upon a time, there was a cook. One day, he was holding a piece of bread. He hungry for camel. His mouth was when he saw the piece of bread. He totally a plan to get it. He the grocery, what a lolly for his hand. Then they will you sing a song for me? The crow was pleased. Open his mouth to suddenly the prince of bread flew from his bed, the fall, the teacher, and ran away.